everyone, this is Michael Cohen, the Tech Rabbi, and welcome to another technology tutorial. Today, we're going to be talking all about iOS version of Keynote for the iPad and the incredible way in which you can draw on top of images, draw your own images, and even start animating in a super simple, super quick way. Today's tutorial is focused on that, so stick with me and you will be drawing and animating in no time. I have to say, I'm absolutely in love with Apple's Everyone Can Create curriculum and the way in which they've updated and designed new features on their apps, not just for the fine art drawing process, although that's what we're going to feature today, but the way in which they are promoting the creative process in publishing books, photos, multimedia, and just focused on creation in general. So you get into the app, you hit the plus sign, you hit the shape tool, and at the bottom you have that draw option at the bottom of that window. And you have a series of very simple, very straightforward tools. Each one of them has the ability to create a unique style of line and of drawing. So you have your marker, etc. You click on the color of your choice, and then you can get very granular with the tools. So you can change the opacity, you can change the thickness of the line. And as you see here with this paint tool, you select and it fills in the area that you selected. So here you could quickly create a Venn diagram, start to mess with the opacity between the three different colors. You can then outline your Venn diagram, and each one of these tools has, as I said before, a unique style and appearance as you start to draw with the tool. Now, what's really cool about the drawing feature in Keynote, besides the fact that it's in Keynote and it's ready to go, is the ability to select with that lasso selection tool specific parts of your design and move them around, or also selecting the entire design and actually resizing it. So you select the different components, and each one of those is individual, but if you highlight multiple ones, you can actually move that around. You can then resize it and change the size of that, make room, etc. So here in this creation of a stop motion drawing of the growth of a flower, you have to set up your different slides with the proper transition. So you make sure there's no duration. You make sure that starting at the second slide, you want to make sure that after previous transition is selected. Also, I always recommend that you test out your slide progress as you're going, so that you don't get 25 slides deep and realize, oh, I forgot to do this one setting, and now you have to go manually back in and change each and every one. So you want no delay, you want the duration to be at 0, and it's literally going to just automatically move through each one of the slides. And I'm going to show you right now a sped up version of this process, so enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. I try to make tutorials that are super simple, clear cut, and give an empowering sense of creative process. Please subscribe to my channel to view other videos like this. Like this video if you can, share it out, and thanks once again for watching and supporting the work that I do.